Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this incredible Ford Fiesta EcoBoost Vignale edition. This vehicle has currently done 4,678 miles and it's had two previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour magnetic grey, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your halogen projector headlights with very stylish LED daytime running lights. These really complement the vehicle and the styling of it. You have your V grille there for the Vignale. Here at the side, you do have your 17-inch alloy wheels with your Vignale badging on the side as well. You also have your indicator integrated into the door mirror, along with rear privacy glass, giving nice privacy to the rear. Here inside, you do have gorgeous black leather seats with nice white contrast stitching. You do have a very nice textured leather in the centre, and the right ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You have a nice amount of space there for rear passengers. Moving around to the rear here, you have your Vignale badge in there on the tailgate as well. The vehicle does come equipped with mud flaps, so you can keep the vehicle nice and protected from the mud spraying up from the wheels. Here in the boot, you do have a very nice amount of space. You can fit a weekly shop in there very nicely. There are also tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. Up top, you will find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around, let's take a look inside here to the front. Here inside, you will find your leather multifunction steering wheel. You have a nice leather finish across the dashboard as well, giving this hatchback a very premium feel. Up top, you do have a panoramic sunroof that lets plenty of light into the vehicle and makes it feel very spacious. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You also have a leather armrest there in the centre console, so you can store things away and also travel comfortably. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Ford Fiesta has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them protected. Super handy when parking on narrow roads, for example, as you can prevent the mirrors from being knocked off by other road users as they tuck nice and tightly into the vehicle. You do have full electric windows. You have your button there for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. You do have automatic headlights, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You have your wiper stalk there. And here you do have your controls for your digital display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You have this very nice coloured display. You have your My View here, where you can display either your digital speedometer or your trip information. You do have your drive assist menu here. You do have your blind spot monitoring. You can see here on the mirror, you do have an indicator that will alert you if there's anything in your blind spot, so you can be cautious when changing lanes on the motorway, for example. And moving on here, you do have your pre-collision assist. You do have active braking with this, so the vehicle can detect potential hazards ahead and emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. It's super handy. You also have your active speed one in there with your traffic sign recognition. You also have lane keeping assist, which can help keep the vehicle in its lane by alerting you and can also aid you in correcting this as well, so you don't drift out of your lane and collide with other road users. You also have your driver alert, which will alert you when you're starting to lose concentration, along with your hill start assist and also your cross traffic assist as well. This Fiesta is truly filled with exceptional safety features. Moving on here on the left of the steering wheel, you will find your adaptive cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it allows you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. It is ideal for those longer motorway journeys, and with the adaptive feature, you can set up a distance that the vehicle can keep you from vehicles ahead. This is super handy on the motorway. The vehicle will automatically slow down to a lower speed, keeping the distance, and will speed back up again if the vehicle ahead speeds up or it changes lane and it's clear and safe to speed up again. You have your indicator stalk there, and at the end of the stalk as well, you do also have your lane keeping system button that you can quickly turn on or off instead of going through the menu to adjust. Here in the centre, you do have your touchscreen infotainment system. You do have DAB, FM and AM radio, and with your DAB, you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. It's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with a list of stations you have available to you. You can also connect your own source of audio with USB and Bluetooth. With your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whatever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls. You do have your navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. Have a nice, clear, easy to follow guidance there. You also have your mobile apps. You do have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay with the vehicle, which brings your phone's interface into the vehicle and allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You can also use compatible apps as well, such as your music streaming services, where you can access all of your playlists directly on the touchscreen infotainment system. The vehicle does come equipped with front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reverse camera, giving you added confidence when parking, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle and things you want to be able to see. You can also change the view, zooming in to a closer look when parking, which is an extremely handy feature. Moving down below here, you do have your air conditioning, so you can keep the vehicle nice and warm or cool very easily. Super straightforward to use with each switch clearly labelled. You can change the direction of airflow in the centre. The vehicle does also come equipped with front and rear heated windscreens, so you can defrost very easily on those cold winter mornings. Extremely handy when you're running late. You also have heated seats as well as a steering wheel, so you can keep nice and warm and forget all about the cold outside in just a matter of minutes. Now here in the centre console, you do have some drive features with your different driving modes here. You have your normal and eco you can change between. You also have your traction control on or off. You can turn your start-stop on and off there, along with your parking sensors off as well. Another great feature you have as well with the vehicle is your park assist. Here you can select your different types of space you wish to enter. You can use the indicator to select which side you wish to park the vehicle on. You can also use the button as well there for leaving spaces as well. If you're struggling to exit the space, the vehicle will help you with this. Up top as well, you will find your controls for the panoramic sunroof. Simply push back once and the roof glides back there, letting plenty of fresh air into the vehicle. Thanks for watching this video on the Ford Fiesta EcoBoost Vignale edition. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or a 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.